Hey there and welcome Gary again with Concealed Carry Academy, back with episode 31 of our Odd Gun Facts series. Did you know the iconic Glock pistol was designed by an Austrian engineer who had no prior experience with firearms? Gaston Glock was an expert in advanced polymers and had been manufacturing curtain rods and knives before he created the Glock 17 in the 1980s. His innovative approach and use of lightweight polymer made the Glock one of the most reliable and widely used pistols in the world. It's a prime example of how fresh ideas can revolutionize an entire industry. If you don't mind helping us out, like, comment, and subscribe for more interesting gun facts.